In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color on Wix. If you want to give your website a fresh new look, changing the background color is one of the quickest and most effective ways to do it. Wix makes this process very simple inside the editor. And in this walkthrough, I will show you exactly where to click and what each option means so you can make the right choice for your site's style. To get started, open your website in the Wix editor. This is where you will make all of your design changes. Once your site is open, look over to the left side of the editor. You will find a menu with several tools, and the one you need is Site Design. The icon for it looks like a letter A with a small paint droplet, which makes it easy to spot. Go ahead and click Site Design. This will open the design settings for your website, where you can adjust visual elements like colors and backgrounds. From there, select Page Background. This section controls the background that appears behind the content on your page. So this is where you'll make the color change. Next, click Color. Once you open the color options, Wix will show you colors from your site's current theme. These are great if you want to keep your design consistent and professional, since they're already matched to the rest of your website's style. If one of those colors works for you, simply select it. If you want something more specific, click the Add button. This gives you the option to choose a custom color using a hex code or an RGB code. That's especially helpful if you already have brand colors you want to match exactly. Just enter the code carefully and Wix will preview the color for you so you can see how it looks on the page. After you've chosen the background color you want, you can decide whether to use it only on the current page or across your entire website. If you want the same background color on all pages, click Apply to Other Pages at the bottom of the panel. This can save time and help keep your site looking uniform from page to page. Before you finish, take a moment to look over the page and make sure your text, images, and buttons still stand out clearly against the new background color. A background should support your content, not make it harder to read. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.